We're all done, Pookie? I guess we should call Gertie. Gertie, you can have it now. Did you leave all the veggies and you ate all the meat? What a pook. She just left you, he just left you the veggies. Gertie doesn't care. She says, it's good for me. It makes my coat nice and shiny. Yeah. You want to go out, Jack? Okay. Oh, Gertie, why don't you finish that off, honey? Come on. Gertie, come here. Come on. Eat them up. Come on, sweetheart. Come on. Hey, you. Stay away from that door. Good boy, Pookie. Come on, somebody's got to eat it up. Good Gertie. Good girl. Yeah. We're going to spend the day outside. I'm going to be pressure washing for the next few hours. So I don't care if it goes right through you, Gertie. You'll be outside, no accidents. Inside. What you looking, Keenie? You guys are so messy on the table. Poor Keenie Kai. What's all this dirt here? What's all this junk doing here? I don't even know what that is. Oh boy. Gertie, finish it off, sweetheart. Come on. I know I put too much broccoli in there, but, you know, please. See, some more pieces in there. Finish it off. Good. That's good. Yeah. You're a good girl, Magerta. Okay, shall we go outside? Let's go this way, honey. Good. That's my babbies. Come on, Puka. Come on outside. Let's go. Come on. Okay? Good. Be good.